Hello viewers, how are you all doing? Welcome back to another episode of Young Cheesy Fashion. And in today's video, you are going to be seeing different stylish flayed gowns ranging from Ankara short gowns, long gowns. These are beautiful 2024 gowns that we have compiled together for you, our viewers. As you can see from the video, they are beautiful, sophisticated, and amazing. But before we commence this video, we must say a very big thank you to all the model you are gonna be seeing on this video, as we do not intend to steal, but we are promoting creativity. So thank you for watching, and for you our returning viewers, we must say a very big thank you. So in today's episode is about long flared Ankara gowns. These are the flared 2024 flared Ankara wears that you can see anywhere. We have compiled them together. These are the most trending, most beautiful and sophisticated dress that you can get anywhere that we have compiled together. If you're a fashionista, if you're a fashion model looking for what to wear, if you're a fashion designer, you can come back to our channel. Keep coming back to our channel to get daily fashion ideas on Young City Fashion. That's what we do: promote videos of fashion wears, male fashion, female fashion. And thank you for watching. If you have any question or any suggestion about this video, please do well to drop a comment on the comment section, as I will be glad to receive your comment and will reply in a minute. Do not forget to like this video as you watch, drop us a comment, share this video to your family and friends. Thank you for watching. Bye.